Okay, so you just open your Pixel Lab app. When it's open like this, come to the background and go to image, select any background of your choice and change the image size to 1280 to 2000 like this. So when you get it like this, you are now coming to change the background to the background you prefer. So since we already know what we are designing, let's move on and create our background. So click on this color symbol here, this color icon, and go to gradient, the add button, and with this moving point selected, click on the color symbol once again and drag this moving point to the right side and the middle one to the left side. It will give you a black color, and click OK and come to the left side, select it like this and click on the color symbol and point to the middle of this circle and drag this one to the right side, and that one will give you white. So we are now going to add a blue color to it. So with that, we are going to click on this add button. It will give you another point, and go to the color option again and drag it to the blue color. Okay, and let's brighten it small. So at this point, we need to select the second box at the top to give us the actual arrangement we have on our design. Yes, so after you've got to this point, we are now coming to import the pictures that you downloaded on WhatsApp. Now we are going to import our PNG image, which means image with no background. So let's click on this add button here from gallery and we select our image. Okay, so this is a PNG image, the image that we removed the background yesterday. So you will adjust the image to the size you want and fit it to the position you prefer. Okay, so let's hide this text for the meantime. So click on the layer icon and click on this eye symbol on the text to hide it. Okay, so now let's add some shapes. So to do that, just click on the add button on the top left corner, select shapes, and let's draw a rectangle at the top. Yeah, I think it's okay. So after you've drawn your rectangle like this, come to the down here and increase the radius to 10. It is just to change the pointed edges to curves. But when you look at what we are designing, there is a texture in this rectangle. So let's add it to it. Select the rectangle and scroll to the left and select the texture. Click on the gallery icon and select the texture that I sent to you guys. Crop it this way, like this. That's all. Have you seen the texture is added to it? So now let's add some shadow to the rectangle. you see the shadow there, click on it and enable it. You can decide to use any color for the shadow, but for this let's use black. It is black already. Okay, and let's increase the blur size to 15 and increase the offset Y to 12. That's all. Now let's bring back our text. So go to the layers and click on the eye symbol again to make it visible and drag it to the top to make it come on top of the work. So now we are going to edit this text. So with the text selected like this, click on this edit symbol and change it to happy birthday. Now let's change the color of this text. So with the text selected, select the text editor at the button here and click on the color and change it to any color you want. But for me, I'm choosing this. And again, let's change the text size. Okay, and now the font. Okay, I am choosing this. Sorry guys, the color isn't pink by the way, it's white from what we are designing. So let's change the color back to white. Okay, and let's choke it with the pink color. This is the stroke. So enable it and change the color to pink and increase the size of the stroking. I think it's okay. So now let's add some shadow to it. Enable it black and let's create our second shape. Add button shape. Down here. Okay. It has a texture as well, so let's add it. Texture, gallery, and this is it. Let's crop it this way. Okay, nice. And now let's give it a shadow as well. Increase it to 15. emboss it. It's okay, just like that. Click on OK. Nice. So now let's add our text to it. Add button, text, drag it down, edit, and let's write our Kwame Eugene. And let's stroke the text as well. So text editor, stroke, choose our color, increase it, and adjust it small. I think it's okay like this. So let's add a shadow to it. Wow. Now let's import our second PNG file, the one I posted in the group. So go to gallery and select it, and go to the layers and drag it down, drag it to the button, and click on it and adjust it. I think like this is cool, so let's keep it like this. You can choose to adjust it to any size you want. That will be your decision. So that's up to you. But I'll prefer leaving it like this. I don't know for you. So we are almost done. We are almost done. Yes, this is our final result. And it's not bad at all. It's pretty cool. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel.